Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our motor repair tutorial for the brush cutter. Today, we will walk you through the essential steps to diagnose and repair your motor effectively. Start by gathering the necessary tools: a socket set, screwdrivers, both Phillips and flathead, a multimeter, and a cleaning brush. These tools will help you access and clean the motor components with precision. First, ensure the brush cutter is completely powered off. Disconnect the spark plug to avoid any accidental starts. Next, remove the casing screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws organized in a small container to prevent loss. Once the casing is off, inspect the motor for any visible damage or debris. Use the cleaning brush to remove any dirt or grass buildup around the motor. A clean motor operates more efficiently. Next, check the wiring connections. If you notice any frayed wires, it's crucial to replace them. Use your multimeter to test for continuity. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's focus on the motor itself. Carefully remove the motor unit by unscrewing the mounting screws. Pay attention to the order of the screws as you remove them. This will help during reassembly. If you encounter any stubborn screws, a penetrating oil can help loosen them. Once the motor is free, inspect the internal components, the rotor and stator. Look for signs of wear or damage. If you need to replace these parts, make sure to check the model number to order the correct replacements. Before reassembling, clean any rust or debris from the internal parts. A clean surface ensures a better connection and performance. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring a hassle-free experience. After cleaning, reassemble the motor in reverse order. Ensure all screws are tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, which can strip the threads. If you're unsure, we can provide a quote before repair to ensure you know the costs involved. Finally, reconnect the spark plug and reattach the casing. Once everything is securely in place, test the brush cutter to ensure it runs smoothly. If it doesn't, double-check your connections and components. Congratulations! You've successfully repaired your brush cutter motor. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that help is just a call away with our services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.